everyone, it's Jessica, Flight Attendant Flipper. If you are new to my channel, I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and The Real. If you are not new to my channel, hey, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm so happy to have you back. I really appreciate your loyalty. And if you haven't already, please make sure you click the like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notifications for any video that I have that's coming out. So today's video, I want to cover how I go about sending offers to interested eBay buyers and how that looks like on their website. So let's get into it. Okay, so you're gonna log into your eBay, and I got to this particular window by going to my eBay and scrolling down to selling. On the left side of the tab, you're gonna see add item required specifics, but I'm really just talking about the listings eligible to send offers. I click on that, the number is 2, so I have 2 listings that I can send offers on. And basically these are just items that eBay buyers have expressed interest in. And so if we wanna close the sale, we can send them an offer to kind of help them move along. And my offers are very good, so generally they do act on them. So the first item that I am going to send an offer on is this Fossil brown shoulder bag. It's actually a very nice bag. I have it listed for $65 because Fossil does have a really good following, but I want to make an aggressive offer because I want this buyer to just buy it so I can get it out of my inventory. So I'm offering them $45. I'm going to click on the automatically send offers, which means that my offer will be automatically sent to future interested buyers. So anyone else who ends up liking it will get the $45 offer. Now I'm also going to click on the send your coupon for future purchases. I do have a coupon set up on my eBay store. So this coupon will be sent after this offer expires and for them to use in the future. So I'm going to select the coupon and click on the extra 15% off, which is my coupon, and then I'm going to click send. Now, before I do click send, you can, if you want to, enter your own offer message, but I like the templated messages here, so I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna hit send. So now that offer is sent. Now we're gonna go on to the second item this had some interest, which is this Free People yellow full zip hoodie. It is listed at $35. I literally just listed it, so I'm gonna make an offer, let's see, $28 maybe. And again, I like the message the way it is. Automatically send offers, going to send my coupon. I select my coupon, and then I just hit submit. And I'm done. And that is how you submit offers to buyers interested in your items on eBay. So I hope you found this video useful. Again, if there's anything you'd like to know how to do on eBay or Poshmark, or if you have questions or want to see a video about something else, definitely comment below. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I value each and every one of you, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. Have a great day. Bye.